mga bata po ngayon, sad to say, huwag kayong magagalit sa akin. Ako, maraming batang magagalit siguro, pero pasensya na kayo. You are weak. Hindi kayo katulad nung panahon namin na hindi kami
For the
iyakin.
case of depression, wala po siya talaga siyang pinipili. Wala siyang mukha, wala siyang stereo, wala talaga. The happiest person that you may know may have it. Hindi talaga siya makikita unless you openly express.
From that 17%, almost half, or 44%, have actually attempted to commit suicide. The primary reason, according to the study, family problems. Depression, anxiety, bullying, as well as physical and sexual abuse are also among the top
A new
reasons.
CDC report shows more adolescents and adults are experiencing depression in the past decade, and mental health experts say that's concerning. Jared Hill has one young woman's struggle.
Buti na lang, hindi ako nag-aral. Stress-free ako kasi mababa lang pangarap ko.
Ang pagiging active nakakaiwas depression, kaya kung medyo nakakaramdam kayo na hindi kayo okay, exercise and be active lang.
Bakit ka depressed? Nag-iinarte ka lang naman eh. Drama mo lang yan. Wala ka namang dapat ika-depress.
Nung panahon namin, hindi uso yung salitang depression. Hindi ko nga alam yun eh. Kung ano yung depression, ngayon, batang maliit, sasabihin, I'm depressed.
Kaya dapat tayo laging mag-pray lang kay God at huwag ma-depress. Smile lang lagi.
Mental health associated with the food we eat, especially we feed our body with lots of sugar. Depression is not a choice you make. Depression is not a sign of weakness. Depression is not just a phase you'll grow out of. Depression is not a personality trait. Depression is not something you can just snap out of. Depression is not because of a lack of prayer. Depression is not a punishment for a lack of faith. Depression is not caused by a lack of vitamins. Depression is not because you aren't strong enough. Depression is not a result of being ungrateful for your life. Depression is not just being sad. Depression is not just having a bad day. Depression is not a mood swing. Depression is not laziness or a lack of motivation. Depression is not a drama for attention.
Maging bahagi ng solusyon, hindi ng diskriminasyon.